What you learn at our university is always a bit more related to technology and the theory behind it.
All I've been doing until now is like learning about the technical stuff, but I never really got to apply it in a way as I could do during this EuroTeQathon.
And working on this open-ended challenge gave a completely different perspective on going through a process of starting a business, starting a team, and really trying to create a sustainable organization while also solving a sustainable challenge.
It was really nice also to discover the way that other universities are making their team work, the spirit of it, the methodology of it. So it was, quite inspiring, and it was really nice to meet people in real life and just take it all in.
Especially the European part, where we got to communicate with other students from the other universities. I think that was really nice, yeah.
After working for like 1.5 months on the Collider, together only on Teams, it was really a good experience to see them physically. Team building is not just about working together, it's about sharing your stories after work, having some beers, sitting together for lunch.
What did you learn?
I learned to look at the problem from a different perspective.
Thinking outside of the box.
This is Team Azura. Hey.
The winner is Team Azura. Congratulations.
It was really inspiring to meet all of these people working really hard on those challenges and see the energy that they provide while working on it and the good spirit that there is here.
Knowing that you're not the only team working on a project gave me motivation, and it was kind of led to a competitive vibe, which was good because it made us work harder.
We went through a lot of phases as a team, going from an idea to a concept to a pilot, and then having to restart all over again and doing that multiple times.
We really made last-minute big changes and we pulled it through. So we should take more risks and don't hold back because of any constraints. That is the biggest thing I learned. Anything is possible at any point of time.